In this video, we will create the Shipment Delivery API so that when you choose one of these delivery options, then this date will change, and as well as shipping and handling will increase, will be depending on which option that you choose. So let's go to our server, and you want to create a new route, and we're gonna put it under payment.js and copy this router. Actually, we can just type it ourselves, but I'm just gonna do router here. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to do router.post shipment, and then we want to do request and response. There will be no async in here. And then we want to let shipment if request.body.shipment equals to, let's say, normal, and then we want to do shipment equals to something. You want to do else, you want to do shipment something as well, and then we want to return a JSON with success true, and then shipment will be shipment. We have to create a data structure for our shipment, so it's just going to be an object, basic object. So const shipment equals to normal. Let's say when you choose a normal delivery, then we're going to have price 13.98, and then we have how many days, which will be 7, and then we have fast delivery, which will be price 49.98, and then days, which will be 3. And then we got to do a function that will calculate how many days from now that we're going to get. For example, like if today's date is 23 of November, then it will be 30th of November if we choose normal shipment. And if you choose fast shipment, it will be 26 November. So let's create a function and name it shipment price. And then we pass in the shipment option, which will be in here. We're going to pass in the shipment option in here later. And how do we calculate dates? We need a new library. So I want you to go to your server, cancel your server, and npm install moment. It is a library for date, time, and so on. So now we have to require that library. Require moment. Oops, I don't know how to spell. Yep. And in here, we want to do let estimated equals to moment. Then we put at shipment option dot days, and then return the day, which is we want to add the day, and then format will be ddd month, and then we want to return estimated, and price, which would be shipment option dot price. I will explain to you guys after this, so let's continue. And then in here, you want to do shipment price, which is the function that we just created. Copy it, paste it here, and then we want to pass shipment dot normal, because if request.body.shipment is equals to normal, then we want to pass the shipment dot normal, which is shipment dot normal. And in here will be the opposite, so it will be shipment dot fast. So why can't we just put this inside here? Well, the reason why, because we want to avoid writing the same thing twice, which we did in the Vue.x before calculating the length. So by doing this, it looks cleaner. And let me go step by step. So let me go through what is going on. So in here, we are creating an object. It is basically just an object that will have normal and fast. So normal will be normal delivery. You will have a price tag, which will be 13.98, and then how many days, which will be 7. So you're gonna get your order in 7 days once you click this normal shipment option. And for fast, we have price 49, and days we're gonna get in 3 days. So by having this object, which is a constant value, we create a function that will estimate the delivery date, because let's say a user ordered today, the date will be different. If they use the order tomorrow, the date will be different. What is this moment? Moment is just a date library, a date or time manipulation library. So what is happening here is line is you are getting the current date. Let's say today's date is 23rd of November, and then you add how many days to the current date, which we're adding 7 in here. We're adding 7 days. D stands for days. And after we add it, and then we want it to be in a format of, for example, like 31st of January. So this is what we are trying to get. So once we get the estimated date, we return the estimated date and as well as the price, which will be just this shipment.price. And in this router.post, when the user chooses one of the inputs, we're going to do an if and else statement, which will check if shipment is normal, then we pass in the normal shipment. Else, if it's other than normal, then we want to do shipment.fast. Very simple, super simple. The goal is just to get the estimated and the price, and then we return the whole object, which is shipment, the whole shipment object, which we're gonna get this object back to the client. So we're gonna test it in the Postman. So before that, let's go to server and create a new payment routes. This one will be payment. Then copy this, change it to payment routes. So let's go to our Postman, open up a new tab and type localhost 3000 API shipment, and change get to post, click body, and let's type shipment normal. So you're gonna get, oh, we have to start the server first, so Notman server. Let's go back and let's click send, and there we have it. We got shipment, which is estimated Tuesday, November 26, and the price will be 13.98. And by the way, today's date for me is 19th of November, not 23rd. I don't want to confuse you guys. So let's change this to fast. So if it's 19, then we're gonna get in 22nd. So let's change it to fast and send, and we're gonna get Friday, November 22nd. So we just want this data and put it on the delivery option later on. The API is working. In the next video, we will map this by calling the Axios call in the next video. I'll see you guys.